স্ক্রিন দেখা যাচ্ছে তো? Hello friends, good evening, good morning. So today is Saturday. I finally get some time to upload more videos. But I have some good news for you guys. Today Supratim is also with me. Uh, he's going to uh, 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 I think he already shared some videos for how to open URL or using beautiful soup libraries. So today, as promised, we are going to continue that series. We'll be using the same piece of code to request one live website, and from that website, we'll try to get some data for our like manipulation. For example, we'll use beautiful soup library to do some HTML parsing, and from there we are going to I'm not sure like what we're going to do. For example, like we can take example of Myntra.com. It is like a very popular Indian e-commerce website. Say we'll say for example we'll select one random category of products, and inside that we'll try to do some like create one our kind of inventory. For example, like name, brand, price, or whatever is there. We'll see how we'll do it. I'm not sure like how it is going to be and how what will be the length of the video, but don't worry, we'll do it completely on live. And as some of the students are here, we are doing one live class as well right now, and I'm also trying to record my screen so that after that once this is done, I can upload the videos over YouTube so you guys can get some idea how to do this. So right now, me and my friend Supratim is here. Supratim has joined me online because he is right now not in the town. So probably he will. I think he has already joined over audio, so he will say something about this topic. But anyways, some of the students are over here. I just told them to if they are having just any questions, so they can ask me. So the video will be more or less interactive, but I'm not sure like some of them are very new to this topic, so I will try to make it slow as possible. And one more thing, students, those are sitting at the corner, please come this side of the class, so it will be easier for me to consented or also from your side as well. So without getting further delays, so just let's start it. So I would like to invite Shupratim to say something about this topic because he already discussed, I think, this video over couple of weeks ago. So Supratim, over to you.
Hello guys, we are back again with a new interesting concept. As Ronnie said earlier, we already have discussed about the beautiful soup and request this kind of things in our one of the video, and the video name is modular code for URL opening. We will also give the URL of the previous video in our description. And for the topic, as he said already, today we are going to use the web scraping, and for that we will use one of our most famous and popular Myntra.com for viewing, suppose say design a t-shirt, price, type, discount. We'll see, everything will be done in live, so there may be some mistakes, there may be some code opening, the video length may be very high, or we can split into part 1 part 2. That will be a different thing and we'll done it later. But for you guys, we will just say one thing before handing over to Ronnie, that please do not forget to like our video, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon it will surely motivate us to do some more interesting thing for you guys. So, Ronnie, back to you.
Okay, so I just shared I just shared the browser. Like for example, this is the actual video. Like I think Supratim has done it like couple of weeks ago, like okay, two weeks back. So we are going to refer the same code. I'm not going to type the old code again and again. So Supratim, if you can just send me the code, so I will refer the same code over here. So it will be easier for me to like save some time. You can send me over like I think you can send me over chat over here in the GoToMeeting console. Just send me. I will use that.
Okay, sure. Just wait a bit.
What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure. Like, yeah, maybe half an hour or more than that. Let's see.
Okay, I already sent you the code, but before that, do you have the beautiful soup and request installed?
Yeah, let me check. Okay, good thing. I'll show you guys like how to check that, or maybe I'll show you. Okay, so this is the code. Let me copy. Okay, so let me open a new PyDev project. Maybe name it as mantra.com, mantra.py. So inside that, let me create one new file. .py. Think I should rename this. My bad. This is directory, so no need to give any. Okay, so so I think okay, this okay. Let me show you something. For example, okay, one thing, Supratim, can you please give me this file? I think you have you made it modular, like so. Some other file will be there with this name. Give me the code for this file.
Okay, okay, sure. Check it. I have already sent you in the chat for the
Okay.
WSU. Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let me create another with this name like file. I'll make it ws url open.py. So good. Fine. I think we'll need to check whether I already all have this thing or not. So let me open the ideal 3. It will open my Python this thing. Now I'm going to check whether these are already in my system or not. No module found. So I need to install this. Import bs4. bs4 is there, but I do not have this things like requests. Okay, so it's very easy to install. So I have something. I have a PyCharm. So like go to preference, project interpreter. Now search here for request. P. Okay, it is not here. Strange. It should be there. BS4 is there. Okay, don't worry. I'll do it. Mhm. Okay, cd/usr/local/bin with3 install. See, it is to install. So thing. So check now from the ideal whether it is working or not. Let me check. Okay, so there is no error. Fine. Okay, so let's get back to here. So I think Shupratim has already explained this code last time, but again I'm just going through it. See, this is a simple thing, so no need to think about all these things. So here we are just defining one method, function. The parameter is URL, then this thing, and if this is some if else block, like for example we are getting any exception, then it will throw the error, or else it will just return the value from the URL, or else this return where, and then we are just calling this and say I'm just going to change the path. For example, I know the this thing, but again just for throw.com. Okay, this is interesting. I'm not sure which Wi-Fi. I'm not sure. Let me check. Maybe this one. No. Maybe this one. No. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. how to check it. Just give me some time. Okay, I think I should use VPN. So here is my not VPN. Good. Fine. Fine. Good. Basically, the thing is that I was last night. I was doing something over over the internet for something like my session has been blocked. For example, I'm not sure what has happened. Again, this is simple. This is simple. So now we are going to just pass this thing. For example, mantra.com, and we'll see what is happening. Okay, let's run this now. Fine. Okay. Unexpected indented block. Okay, which code is this one? Okay, maybe something. Okay, I think this will run just for the copy paste. I think this was not working. Hmm. Interesting thing. I told you, right? So this is going to happen. So don't worry. This is normal programmer's life. So don't worry. Everything is normal. I'm not sure whether this is also going to fix or not. Maybe Supratim can help. Fine, done. Okay, so now no module name this. Okay, no problem. First, I will try to search here. I'm just showing you. Just you can cause in the next time in other videos, like when you are going to start something related to machine learning or data science. So you will be going to use this or maybe Jupyter library. Sorry, Jupyter ID. So just but this has very cool feature like something lxml. Cool. I believe this is not required if I am not wrong. Yeah, could not find the tree builder install parser library features lxml. Okay, but this is not. I'm not sure whether it is required or not. It should require, but no module name. Okay, let's see.
Ronnie, just install lxml from PIP, na?
Okay, I thought in Mac by default it is there. Anyways, I'm just doing it. Windows, it is not there, I know, but I thought that in Mac maybe it is there. PIP3 install lxml. Yes, sorry. Oh, okay. Something is coming. See, so what next? What next? Okay, so now we just send one request to open this one, and from there we just get the whole entire HTML document from this, like this thing. Okay, and we're just printing out over like console. Now our main task is to get some actual work. For example, while you guys have heard about lot about web scraping, data analysis and all, so this is like the entry point for this. Like web scraping is a huge topic, and nowadays it is very popular because ultimately the world is like a like world is only interested, like not world, the computer science or maybe the modern world is more or less interested about the data and how we are getting the data are like everywhere, but we do not know how to get the data. Like if you know what and from where you would like to get the data, and what will be the type, what will be the format, what will be like the expectation of the requirement, then like multiple data sets can be developed. But again, I'm going into like in a different direction for data science and all. This class is not about all that, but don't worry, we are going to start, but not now. Maybe after a couple of months later, we are already started developing our repositories and course and all. Also, Supratim is going to share one like link for our next batches for machine learning and data science with some prerequisites like NumPy, Scikit, TensorFlow, and other things. So don't worry. But in this class, we are only going to discuss about how we can do a proper web scraping, and after that, you can go and do the web scraping for on every website. But before doing the web scraping, please make sure you should not use those data for any illegal use or any selling purpose, because this is not at all like a legal thing to do with scrapping. But again, for the educational purpose, just do it, and after that I believe you guys all are like sensible enough or responsible enough to just release those data. You can, yes, definitely for your personal purpose you can do anything. Like after getting the data, you can do some analysis, can graph, can plotting, another thing over Excel or whatever. But please don't share the data to any other like uh, anywhere. Like it can be anything dangerous or maybe not dangerous, but again, like sharing the data and all are not good at all, because this is digital thing, and in digital uh, like intellectual properties, once you uh, get or share the data, it is like considered as consumed or like use of like illegal distribution. So please, this is my request. This is completely for the educational or knowledge purpose, knowledge sharing purpose. Don't misuse it. But it is the like I'm just giving you the whole and soul like meat part of the web scraping. So let's start from the mantra.com website. So for example, if you go to the mantra.com, just go to main section, for example, t-shirts. Mhm. Cool. So what we are going to do, we are going to get all these things, like how many t-shirts are there, their prices, their brand, their discount price, and whatever from here. So for this, so first things first, Supratim, would you like to like add anything? I think you already did this in your batch, right? Last week, you already completed this, right?
Yeah, I want to add something. If we can use the filter, means how much color is there, how many color is there, or how the type of t-shirt, we can use those things.
Yes, But today's class I'm just going to dump the raw data, and the next class, from the next class onward, we can like show them like how what type of operation they can do. But today we'll dump the whole data from t-shirt, like for example this category, so it will be easier like for them. First the whole data set, then they can apply the different filters, so in that way we'll go. So it will be kind of use case, and from the filtering or pricing or depending on the brand, there can be graphs and charts or whatever other things also possible. Okay, is that fine?
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay, so this is something called amp html. Okay, what is amp html? Anyone knows? Okay, okay. Okay, no, just do a google, you'll understand. See, so we'll use this version to get, see how it is going to change. Copy link address and cool. No, it is not coming. Sometime I get overexcited, but this is normal. See, magic, not magic. We are not going to develop any $1 million application that just because after developing this application, Google or Facebook is going to give us a call that we would like to buy your software. But one day, definitely, you guys will able to do it. Okay, so see, so we came to our main page, and from there we are going to scrap the whole data, like how many t-shirt style, their brand, their name, their price, means tag one. So there will be five things, like 1 2 3 4 5, and one more is the link to buy this thing, for example this one. So there will be six things. Okay, so what was these things? For example, name, brand, actual price, old price, then is discount, and then the link. Okay, so first thing first, first we would like to request here. Okay, let's run first. I think I need to do something here. I believe request dot, I think this is, we need to request, or else like um, the session will be open, or maybe they are going to block something like that. We should not like use this. Okay, so anybody having any question? Anyone having any question? Sorry, what? What you guys are doing on live with me? Okay, what error? Sorry, those who are watching from the YouTube, please excuse me for some time. Some of my students are having some problem in the class, so just bear with me for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start it. Let's get started again. Let's get started. I forgot like where I was. Okay, fine. So now go to here. So just run it again. Cool. Okay. Now what we're trying to achieve here. Now let's, for example, like say we would like to on this value. For example, like this is comes under this tag. Okay, just remember that this will be very interesting. So just declare one variable count equals to read dot select. Okay, this is the usual like syntax for getting value from any tag. This now print count. You guys will see the magic. Let's say run. See, okay. So let me first make it now this. Okay, if you want to have it like this, okay, I understood. Maybe, okay, this is treating as a list object. Maybe need to make it like this, or maybe we need to. Okay. Hello, Supratim, are you there? Hello. I'm not sure whether my hello, 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 Supratim, are you there? I'm not sure whether he's here or not. Hello, hello, Supratim, are you there? Hello,
Yes, yes, tell me.
what happened?
The microphone was not working. I just restarted the meet.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay now.
Okay, so let me try in that way. Get just as I told you, like we'll do some hit and trial. Don't worry. Something. Let's see whether it is working or not. Perfect. See, so we got this one. So now let me like create something counter and then I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Perfect. Now Next thing is that we have to remove this style part, styles. Okay, because we are trying to run our loop so that it should uh, fetch all this product. So I'm just doing it. There are multiple ways of doing it, so I'm just using my logic so that it will be easier. Now the thing is that everything is already like I said. Now everything is already here in this variable or something inside this variable. So we need to just use that. You can do in that way or something like that if you want to have more accurate result. Because by the time when you execute the program, the actual data in the website will change something. For example, it could increase or it could decrease. So I am just using this another approach. For example, I am again define another variable, and I will do the query like again and again and again. So it will give me the exact current or correct result, not the exact but maybe more accurate. So the next thing is that if you see like that, we need to just remove this part. So to do this, so counter equals to re dot sub. Okay, we need to import re. I think it will, let's use the old thing again. Just going to import regular expression. It is there already. So let me use this re dot sub. Now pattern. Our pattern is some, okay, it is going to be styles sty. So if it will replace, we are going to replace with nothing, and our actual string will be counter. Now I'm going to print counter. So this is there, but there is some stripe is available. So it is like counter dot stripe. If we do like mm, strip, fine. So it will remove the leading and trailing spaces, whatever. So there will be no more spaces. See, so we got our counter. Like at this moment, there are this many products. For example, if I just refresh this, see, that is what I'm trying. So this is same. This is interesting, right? So what is your idea, guys? Like, would you like to continue? Would you like to continue this video, or shall I stop it here and you guys would like to have this in another session? Like, what is your opinion, Supratim? Any idea? Like, shall I stop here or shall I continue?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, fine. So let me check. Maybe it will take some more half an hour, maybe, or maybe if it is taking more than half an hour, so we'll stop. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. So this is now done. Then counter. I'm just using only one variable. It's a bad approach, but again, don't worry about that. Counter. Okay. What happened? I wanted to have, I'm just showing you something. This is thing. Okay, maybe now the interesting part. For example, see, if you go down, 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 down. So this is saying show more. Now how you are going to get the whole data? So if you click show more, see it is taking you to the page 2. So this is, if I change the row value to 500, uh, let's make it, not sure. See, the URL is like this. So we have to somehow navigate via this. Okay, so if 500 is there, so I think we need to use this value as a counter so that our loop will run, because each iteration we are going to have the 500 products. So I'm just counting that. So I think it will be between 114 or 115, something like that. Any question, guys? Anything? Shupratim, would you like to add anything?
Yeah, I just want to know. Suppose we don't know how many time it will go. Means how many time counter will run. So it will automatically count that, or it will.
Uh, no, no, it is nothing automatically. For that I'm just doing it here. See, if you, I'm just forgot to typecasting this thing, so it is throwing error. So if you see, there are total, we have calculated, this is the total number of product, right? 57348.
Yes, yes.
And then how many item we want in one page? 500. So how many pages will be there then, divided by that, right? 114, right?
Okay.
And there will be some reminder will be there. Definitely it is not, the reminder will be there. For that we would like to extend one more time, so our loop will run from 1 to 115. So it will cover all the like things. So now for I in range counter plus 1, think, okay. So define to variable read. I'm telling you why I'm doing this. Read to. So now let's inspect where is our elements. See, this is okay. Okay, let me. Okay, so this is the image of the thing. If you go here, I just clicked the element, my bad. Let's go back. Then here is the actual data part. We are not interested about the image. So see, image will be actually inside this tag product list. If you go here, the product will contain this thing and product list will contain this thing, like this elements, for example, name, price, name, product, whatever we are interested. So just deeply, just try to understand this. Let me see, some of my students are having problem. Okay, here. So no, you just run, it will work. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so if you see, this tag will contain all this thing and this tag will contain this thing. So there are multiple ways. First we'll go to this tag. Inside that tag we can just do for loop to find all the elements. For example, it will give us two deep tag, product and product info, and inside that we can do it. But we are trying to make it another way. We are just going to do the whole product and product info tag. So product tag will be the corresponding by URL for this thing and product info will have this thing. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element for every product. Name, brand, actual price, old price means the discounted price, the discount, and the product by URL. This is the by URL. This is one more interesting thing. See, the link is not here, but it is hyperlink. So it is, you need to do some concatenation. So it is t-shirts.hrx /hrs, but the actual link is mantra.com/ht t-shirts. So we'll do it. So for example, we need to have this first. So okay, read equals to bs4 dot beautiful soup. So I think we need to make it so something we need to do it. So what we'll do, we need to create another thing. For example, we are going to use this looping thing. For example, we need to first hit the URL and we do not know the URL right now. So we will have to give the URL first. So what will be our URL? Anyone knows? Like URL one. Let me var one. Okay. So I'm not sure what will be the URL. So URL one equals to, I think I have made somewhere this one, equals to, okay, URL plus. So till now, till this one is fixed, right? If you understand my point. URL one equals to, we need to just add equals to 4. So plus, So I equals to first one, this will go here, it will generate the URL, then it will hit the URL 1, then bs4 dot beautiful soup, this one, see, full read one equals to it full dot product. I believe this is fine. I'm not sure what is going to happen. It will, maybe it will run for like some 114 times, it will print everything. It should print. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, okay, this is tier to integer. Okay, so I forgot to type cast. Maybe. Let's see. See, this is coming. If you see, all products are coming. Fine. So thing I have terminated. So 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 now for j in read one, because read one have many elements, so we need to go through, right? The first is our, what is first? Name. Name equals to j dot select dot name. Name equals to 0 dot get. Let's print it first. so we can understand like whether it is getting these values correctly or not. This HRX. Supratim, do you have any thoughts or something like that? Like for example, it is start typing all the brands. If you see, I think my voice is not clear. Supratim, are you there? Hello, Alpha.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Would you like to add anything?
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Carry on.
Okay. So this is done. So next is product name. We'll change the thing like name product. I'm just doing it like mm, this is brand, then it should be item name like this. I think it should come like this, but I think I will make it like comma and print. So it will print line by line. Item name. Now, if you do not use this, then this will be on every line. First this. But now what I'm doing, I'm just putting it so name and the item name. It will be together. Let's check it. See, brand name like that. So if you do not, if you don't use this one, what is going to happen? See, see like this, guys. I actually I also this is not my invention. So this is nothing like thing. I just got it from Stack Overflow. This is a really good website. I think most of you guys know. So I saw someone is posted that. I was searching something else and I found something really interesting. So it was like my earlier days when I was like very new to this Python. So anyways, like you guys can find something different. If you find something, do let me know. Okay, next thing, price discounted. Price and price. See, this is the actual price. This is the earlier price. Like for example, the cross one and the discounted. So first need to understand the price discounted. Price hyphen discounted. So create another tag. I think it will be price discounted. So let's change it. Actual price, make it AP, and make it AP. So it will be AP. Okay. Okay. But one thing, guys, I don't want this thing. I am not sure whether how you are going to print in the uh, CSV. So I think we should remove this one. So maybe maybe something I forgot, like equals to AP. I'm not sure. Like I also did it long back. Some slicing. Supratim can help me. He's expert on all this thing.
What you want to slice from here?
The first character, yes, it is already slashed. See the INR symbol. Okay, so it's working.
Okay, okay.
So it's working. So fine. So I have developed three like values. So now the next part is this one, the actual price. I think we don't need this thing. We need only this thing. This is only value, but it is displayed price dp. Let me print this one. Oh, I did mistake. I should have removed this one. It is showing the same value because this is another tag. Least index out of range. Okay, it means it should not have any more values. Let me check first what is wrong here. It is no attribute this, so it is not list. tp.text. Let me try with this one. It should throw another error. List object has no attribute dp. So let me try with this one. Let me see what this is actually. Okay, okay. Mhm. We need to. This is not taking the value. This is not right. Okay, interesting. The same tag, but this is not taking the value. So I'm not sure what is going wrong over there. Anyone having any idea? Supratim, what do you think? Hello.
Is it treating as
Hello.
integer or something else?
This is list.
List.
This is actually list, but this is not coming. Okay. So I understood what is the problem over here. So I'll tell you why it is happening. Some of them are not having any actual price or any discounted price. So only one price. That is why. So for example, uh, C. Uh, I'll tell you. If you why it is here. Okay. Now I'm telling you. I understood now what is happening over here. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay. C 0 dot text. Now if I run this, it should throw an error that list object out of index or something. No, no. This will throw some other error. list index out of range. So this is page 4, right? Basically, for this thing, there is only one. If you see, there is no dot price. So for those thing, it is actually throwing error. So see, the first one came, the second one it is throwing error. Understand my point? So we need to have something if length of dp 0 greater than 0, then else dp equals to ap. Simple. Means this two price are same, right? So now it should work. So most of the products are having discount, but some products where there is no discount, then it will throw the error. It is still throwing error if dp length dp dot 0. Okay, and I got the point now. If length, why this is again throwing the error? It should not throw the error now. dp dot 0 length of dp dot 0. Why it is throwing the error? This is list. This is why here it is throwing the error. It should not throw the error here. I did some mistake, some silly mistake here, I believe. Length dp 0 error. Okay. Oh, my bad. This is the list object pointing. Fine. Sorry. I told that I maybe did some silly mistake. It is actually the zeroth element, and this is the whole list. See? Fine. So now we have the next part is discount. Discount is also like this thing, like discount is, guys, are you able to follow me? If you're having any doubt, just do let me know. This is interesting. I told you, like, we'll be doing live, so don't worry about that. It is okay. It's length dot this. Some of them are having discount, some of them having not. So this is normal, else this this equals to no discount. Simple. See, all of our variables are now sorted. But I forgot to print out. Anyways, I'm doing it now. So I'd like to show you guys together like this and this comma. I believe it should run. Let's run it. Okay, I did a mistake. I put comma here, so so everything is in the same line. So this is not right. Okay, see. So Pratim, Are you there?
Yes, yes, yes. The length, you are checking the if the length of the string is greater than zero, then it
No,
will
yes,
continue.
actually this is returning list. If the length of list is greater than 0, it means it is having value. If it is not having any value, then I'm just setting the price, actual price. For example, the same for discount. If any list is greater than 0, then I'm assigning the 0 position element here, or else it will be no discount. See, some of them are having no discount. This, see.
Yeah, yeah. That I you just show the inspect element page
Yes,
where
yes. Now our 50% you can say is done. So now I need to import IO for file operation, and I'm going to say counter. I'll going to write something over here, or say here with IO dot open name of the file, maybe file1 dot csv, comma, I would like to open it as an write mode, and encoding equals to be, I'm not sure this is the correct syntax or not. Let me check. It is not coming. What do you think? It is UTF-8. How should we write UTF-8? Like UTF or /8, or I'm not sure. In Linux, I should use this one. This is correct. So I'm just opening one file, and then mm, this. Oh no. Then file1 dot write. Let's build the header. So it is brand, then product, then current price, old price, discount, and slash. I think this is slash n for just for the new line, so that it should be like um, it should just, for example, I'm just going to first write the header and for the element. So header will be the first line, and all the other things will be the new in the next line. So I just wanted to keep everything in the next line, so that if I put in that way, is it clear to everyone? Like, or Shubhrutim, do you have any question like from the students? Because the students consoles like are with you, those who are already joined the meeting via. Do you have any
yeah,
question?
yeah.
Okay, fine.
That slash n you have putting here for the new line. It should be means where it will put new line. This is the header one, na brand, product, center, price, old
Yes,
price,
yes,
discount.
yes, yes,
After that, it will start printing our loop value, right?
yes, yes, yes. So the same thing
So the same thing.
for now. I'm just creating another file for the link, because if you see, the link will not come with this, because for the link we need to go to another element, and we need to. So I'm just, what I'm trying to do, I'll create another file where I will write all this value for this by link, and then after that I will merge this two file. So for that I am just going to create another file 2.csv as f2 This is only link. So link. Is that fine? I think I should run one. Understand if there is any error or not. I think if I refresh this, this two file will be created. See, two file has been created. See, brand, product, current price, old. This one and and link. Fine. I'm not sure what is this. Maybe. Okay. So now, now I'm here. I'm here. So data equals to name, item name, like this. We need to put. So name, item name, p dp name comma item name comma ap comma dp comma this 1 2 3 4 5. Is that clear to everyone or no? The same file I would like to open again, but this time in append mode. And then f1 dot write data. So let's run this. No, cancel. I think I should add command block. Name, item name. Okay, see, guys, you are not following me. Let's see if anything is happening or not. So it should come here. Oh my god, see. Shupratim, are you following me? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
It looks nice, right? Nice data
It's
set.
looking small.
Sorry?
It
Looking?
was just zoom the text file. It is not clearly visible.
Is it okay now?
the text file.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's not okay. So nice piece of data.
Hmm. The whole data. I think we should make it run because it is running. Do you think shall I continue this or shall I stop here? What do you think?
Yeah, I think you should stop here and make another, I think, a short program about how to do the URL importing and just as a class or something like that and define it here.
But I think another 15 minutes will be required. So let me finish this. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is that I would like to, uh, once this for loop is over, then like it will be like one by one. This is not like that. So what I'm trying to say that once this is done, then we need to like read the other one. Means like for example, I need to f1 dot close every time I need to close. Okay, then I will create one more for loop for this for k in, because we have another variable read to where it is. If you see, the variable is here. So for k in read to, what we'll try to achieve over here, like we like to have this link, but we have this link inside this tag a and then this. So it will be like it will be interesting, like link equals to k dot k dot a, then this, and what is the tag name? I think this is fine. Print link. Let's give a try. Yes, it's okay, but this is not the actual link. Link equals to,
I have a question.
yes, tell me.
What is this A for? Href, you are selecting A for what thing?
A is the tag name I'm showing you. A is the tag, see? So this is called, first you have to go to A, and inside that you can use this one as well, href, or you can use this one as well. Means href equals to this value. So for example, A is the tag, K is the element. Inside that K element, where you have to go, I have to go to the A. And inside that, which attribute value I'm looking for this value. So that is why this is.
Okay, understood.
You got this?
Instead of A, I can also use href now.
Right. If you if you do href, also it is same. Uh, href. H. plus. Let's try. I hope it will work. See, it's working, right? Okay.
Yes, yes, it is worth it.
Okay. So now so I'm running this. Okay. So now it should populate the both file. It's coming, right? Okay. I should not delay. I think once this loop is over, I have to come here. I have to define dfn equals to pd dot. Okay, for before that, I would like to sometimes I'm user local main pip3 install pandas. Pandas is a very popular library for manipulator operation doing some operation over CSV and other like data like Excel and all. Import pandas as maybe PD. So just for installing. Okay. df1 equals to pd dot pd dot what is this? I'm not sure. Read CSV. What is the file? I think f1. Create another object. df2 f2 another object merge equals to df1 dot I'm just merging two file. Merge df2 this. Let's take one variable str time date v equals to, just to name the files, that's it. Import time comma mm, date time date time dot. This is I'm just trying to like valid creating one date time for like format like there could be mmddyy or ddmmyy, whatever you would like to have. So I'm just trying to do that. So it will be that, no, sorry, it will be time dot str this one, and you have to pass your format. For example, like mm, like y slash, I think it will be capital Y slash small m small m yymmdd, then like this, or maybe you would like to have some with some hyphen or whatever you would like to have. So something wrong, I'm not able to understand what is happening over here. Maybe this, oh, understood, this will be like this, and then like hour, like minute, like second. So it will be like this. So then merged dot csv equals to csv index equals to false. This is for just only for renaming the thing, so nothing else. So I think this will be like this.
What is this index for?
Indexing is not available for this file. So this is for this. Now if we run, just print one done. Just once this is done, it should print. Maybe. Let's try. Just give a try. I believe some error will be there. But just let's try. Let's try. Hope it will work. Let's give a try. Supratim, are you following me?
Yes, yes, I am waiting for seeing the print done. I think still it is collecting the data from the site and saving it to the CSV. So it's a quite big data. It will take time. And as you see how we can scrap, web scrap different websites and collect the data, gather the data as per our uh, usage or information or something else. You need to do something with that data, to collect something from them. This is how beautiful Python is. Python will help you to do the most extraordinary thing in the very easiest way, and it is a very good. I see, not very good. I mean to say it is a very easiest way to interact with the data science and other things in machine learning AI. That's why Python is used everywhere, and it's a very important. So it's taking some time, right? I don't know whether it will throw some error. I think error will be not be there, but it is still now saving those files. So I don't think it will take that much of time to collect the data. Is it complete or not complete? I don't know. So let's wait for it to get the thing complete. If it is complete successfully, we should print done here. And till then, just wait for it. And I hope students are enjoying today's lesson. Actually, it is a notes lesson. We are also doing it live to give you more insight of that, how it is done, why it is required, and how to get the string stripping, slicing like that, and how to select from that beautiful sub library data file you are storing here as a lxml. So lots of knowledge you should gain from today's our workshop. You can rather say workshop, not tutorial or lesson. So uh, I think
It's still
still it
running.
is running.
If it is completed, then it will show like terminated, means it is running. So we can check like what is the like file size. It is almost 4 MB, and it is last time it is updated this time, like just now only. So it's
I think the new file name should save as the date, month, hour, time,
yes,
minute,
yes,
second,
yes.
right?
Right, right. It will. So
We can.
it will
So
be
it will
happens.
new file.
It will be here at the last stage. If you see, this will
Yeah, that
march
is
this.
that's why.
Yes, yes,
Uh, so if we don't print that done, we can also know whether it is done
yes,
or not
yes,
by seeing the file name.
yes, yes. Right. So let's give some more time. But
Yeah, it's a
it
lots
is
of data now.
yes, yes. But this is really good thing. Students are, I think they're happy now, and our viewers will be happy. What do you think?
Yeah, that's what I am saying just right before that. From today's, it is not a lesson or tutorial. I would rather like to call it as a workshop because we are doing it totally live here, and they will learn much more thing about the web scraping and importing different libraries and usage of string slicing like that. So it will be beneficial for both of, I mean, all the students and both the viewer. And I would like to say that, oh, it's throw some error. throw some parsing error. Is that error related to IO operation on closed file? We closed that file, that's why it is showing like that. I don't know. Can we run the program from the for the last part only, because otherwise it will. Okay, you just run it from the beginning.
Sorry, like I just speaking on mute. Just I used the wrong method. So merge means it is merging one file into another, but join means it is join the data set of the two file and create another file. So let's do from that way. So I believe it will work now.
Yeah, that's okay. But what I am thinking, can we just
Yes, we can run it. We can
march
run
the
it.
run?
Yes, we can run it. We're just creating another separate program and using this too. But again, I have already executed the thing. It will take another 4 5 minutes. Don't worry.
I have a question that
Yes.
if is it possible to run code line by suppose I want to run the code from 84 to 89 only, that is not possible now. If we were to run the total Python program, means this Myntra file.
Yes, we can run it. Like we can run this part. Only this part, because this part is already everything is completed here, and here it is actually a
Ah,
new
yeah,
operation.
that's what I am saying.
Yes, yes,
So
yes. This
that
part can be
the
run.
time will be saved. You know.
Yes, but I have executed it just to show the viewers that.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I was just asked.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what's the procedure of running this only this portion of the code?
So you have already having this to F1 and F2 file, right? You have to just copy paste, create another Python .py file and execute from there. Simple.
Okay, okay. I just thought we can do it by selecting or something is available in that Eclipse like that. Okay, okay. So let's wait for it.
our last video, which I uploaded yesterday, the speech recognition. It is suddenly it is getting more views. I'm not sure. Like maybe it got the attention from the viewer.
That's good, na?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, it is throwing error.
I think I'm not sure why it is throwing error. Okay, okay, file F1. I think. Not sure why it is throwing error. Equals to, let's keep file one dot csv.
I think this time you should run it as a separate program. Otherwise, it will take that much longer time.
Can do it, but I'm not sure why where it is the error actually. It is showing here, but okay. If you run another separate file, say, let me create another program file like marge dot csv. Sorry, py import import I think this is running done now. You've seen? Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah, it is working now.
Actually,
Just
the problem is that it is not. Uh, I actually just given this name. See, uh, this one, but this is not the right way to this thing, because the variable scope is finished over here, f2 and f1. This thing, and I am actually in the different block here, so it is not able to find. So because of that, this is showing error. But I'm just running it again. So it will be easier for the viewer to understand that everything is fine. So see, the timestamp is here. So if I open
Okay,
this,
okay.
see, you got it, right? You can open it over Excel if you have Excel. You have Excel in your system.
Yes, I have Excel in my system.
Can I share the file with you after this thing?
Yes, no.
Okay, so what I'll do, I'm just sending you the email. Okay,
Okay, okay.
did you receive the file?
No, till now didn't receive. Just wait for a few minutes.
You received the file now, right?
No,
Okay,
you
interesting.
sent in my email ID, na?
Yahoo, Yahoo.
No, till now didn't receive.
But here it is showing that it's already see. But you will receive the file without any subject line. Just check. It should reach to you.
Just now I have received.
Okay, now open it. Before opening via Excel, just to let you know, so I'll share the privileges with you.
Yeah, it is coming fine.
It is also working now. See, it's done, and new file came with the new timestamp and all. So I'm just sharing like making you the presenter. You can show your screen and how the Excel file looks. You can also. Okay, fine. I'm just giving you the permission. Please share your screen.
Yeah, the file open find in Excel and it is showing the values.
No, no, I'm asking you to share your screen so the viewer can also see.
Okay, okay.
Supratim is having some problem with the Excel. laptop. So his like Citrix is not working, so it's fine. So the CSV is working fine. There is no problem with that, cause we have already seen. So guys, if you like having any doubt or related to any suggestion or any feedback, just to comment us in our videos. Like all the prerequisite and everything will put in the description. So please let us know how you are how you like our videos. If you have any suggestion or something related to the topic, please let us know. But if you like our videos, if you like the way we are doing it, if you enjoy with our videos and all, if it is at all helping you, if you are students or doing job whatever, please do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and also do comment, share, do whatever you can do for us. We really need your help. This is a new channel and we're trying really hard to create some material for the community, for the programmer community, for uh, the ones who are actually very much passionate about programming and Python. And as I told you, Shupratim is going to start a new learning uh, online learning session over machine learning and data science. So please do follow his Facebook, Instagram, or Facebook channel for more updates. So out and over, I will see you guys in our next video, probably tomorrow, because as I told you, this is I'm having long vacation, so I can do something for tomorrow as well. So bye bye.